How do we do that with bigger numbers?
Easy. We ask, what number plus 3 equals 16?
13 plus 3 equals 16.
Perfect. So instead of doing 16 minus 3, we used addition. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, which tells us that 16 minus 3 is equal to 13.
Hello, young adventurers! I'm Captain AHS. Today, Saro and Mina are about to unlock a magical math trick. Using addition to subtract. Instead of just taking away numbers, we're going to use addition to make subtraction easier. Are you ready for the magic? Let's find out how it works!
Alright, Mina. Let's start with something simple. We have 12 blocks. If we subtract 2 blocks, we can use addition to make it easier.
Wait! How does that work?
Here's the trick. Instead of subtracting, we'll ask, what number plus 2 equals 12?
10 plus 2 equals 12.
Exactly. So, instead of doing 12 minus 2, we used addition. 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. That means 12 minus 2 is equal to 10.
Oh! I get it! So we found the number that, when added to 2, gives us 12. That's the answer.
Let's try a bigger one now. We have 16 blocks. If we subtract 3 blocks, we'll use addition again.
How do we do that with bigger numbers?
Easy. We ask, what number plus 3 equals 16?
13 plus 3 equals 16.
Perfect. So instead of doing 16 minus 3, we used addition. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16, which tells us that 16 minus 3 is equal to 13.
Wow! That was fast! I didn't have to count backward at all.
Now let's make it even more fun. We have 20 blocks, and we want to subtract 6 blocks. This time, we'll need to think a little more creatively.
How do we use addition for 20 minus 6?
Here's the trick. We start with 6, and we need to figure out, what number plus 6 equals 20?
14 plus 6 equals 20.
Exactly. So, that means 20 minus 6 is equal to 14.
That's so good! I don't even have to count backward. I just think forward. I love this trick. I learned that by using addition, I can easily figure out the answers to subtraction problems.
Exactly. It makes subtraction feel like addition, which is much easier.
Now, it's the time for quiz. Here's your first question. You have 15 blocks. If you subtract 2 blocks, which number plus 2 equals 15? Is it option A, 13, or option B, 12? Think about it. That's right. The correct answer is option A, 13. Here's your next question. Start with 17 blocks. What number plus 3 equals 17? Is it option A, 13, or option B, 14? Think about it. Good job! The correct answer is option B, 14. Here's your next question. You have 15 blocks. What number plus 6 equals 15? Is it option A, 6, or option B, 9? Think about it. Perfect! The correct answer is option B, 9. Here's your next question. You have 16 stars. What number plus 12 equals 16? Is it option A, 6, or option B, 4? Think about it. Fantastic! The correct answer is option B, 4. Here's your last question. You have 19 candies. What number plus 15 equals 19? Is it option A, 6, or option B, 4? Think about it. Excellent! The correct answer is option B, 4. You've mastered subtracting by using addition. But your math journey isn't over yet. Next time, Saro and Mina will dive into subtract by counting on, learning even more about how subtraction works. Don't miss out on more free, interactive lessons. Hit subscribe and join us on the journey to education without boundaries.